Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, this one hung on today and actually closed pretty impressively. And what do I mean hung on? Well, hung on relative to what? Well, this green line here, which I've talked about time and time again, right around that $1.88, $1.87 mark was a very key level of support going into today. And yeah, after all afternoon long, I mean, the price was sitting right at that area, actually violated it a little bit to the downside. However, like I said, the final 30 minutes happened and got a nice little green candle there. So it's been confirmed that level has held. So good to see that occurring now that the price, like I said, was able to work up enough strength to not only hold that level, but actually get the little bounce to the upside. Now, don't get me wrong, just because there's been a little bounce over a 30-minute period does not mean that for sure this thing's getting ready now to skyrocket above $2. But my point is, things were definitely looking shaky, but the price, like I said, dug in and held its ground there, so that's a good sign. So going into next week, nothing has changed from that point of view. That $1.87-ish area still going to be that first key level of support to keep an eye on. From the resistance side of things, I'm going to go ahead and get this trend line once again updated here and just extend it on out. We've been tracking this for quite a while now as the time has progressed. So that still remains the overall kind of symbol, if you will, that selling pressure is still in full control. And the price has made nice moves up, but within the grand scheme of things, all the nice moves up continue to get rejected and pushed back down. So yes, overall, the overall context is still very bearish. But again, it goes back to that green line there was an area that you would want to see hold as support, and it did indeed hold as support. So definitely a step in the right direction. Not just a question of does this last 30 minutes of the week mean anything? We'll have to see if this is the start of something bigger or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.